Question 18 is a rather odd recurring decimal question. We've got a recurring digit here, but we don't know what it is, except that it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but it can't be 0. And we've been asked to find, in terms of x, the recurring decimal as a fraction. So what we've got to do is do exactly the same as we normally do, but with this rather pesky x hanging on. So let's first of all write our number out. 0.4x recurring is equal to 0.4 x, 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 and on it goes. So let r equal this number. Now, I want to move the decimal point such that I get one repetition of the recurring number on the left-hand side. So therefore I can say 100r is equal to, hop-de-hop, 4x point x, 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 and on it goes. Now I want all the tail on the right-hand side. So I need to multiply this number by 10. So therefore 10r is equal to 4.x, x, x, x. And on that goes. Now, if I subtract the lower number from the upper number, all this tail will disappear. And what you'll be left with is whole numbers. 100r minus 10r is 90r. And this is equal to 4x minus 4. So, making r the subject, r is equal to 4x minus 1 divided by 90. And that will be your answer.